Hello beautiful people, welcome to another Clean With Me video. My apartment is looking a little worse for the wear. I'm pretty sure Samson did it. Look at that face. He looks guilty, right? I'm gonna start in the bedroom. It is time for me to clean the sheets. Usually I change out my bedding, but I'm really into the white bedding for summertime. I like the clean, crisp look, so I'm just gonna wash all my sheets and remake the bed. I have my little tiny portable washer, which means it takes me several loads to wash the fitted sheet, the flat sheet, 4 pillowcases, and the duvet cover. But I'm gonna get it all done today. The kitchen is actually not too bad. I've done the dishes and really just need to put a few things back in their place. It doesn't take much for the kitchen to look messy. This can happen within half a day, definitely within 24 hours. Bottom line is I have to do a full reset, put away the clean dishes, and put away everything else back into its place. 1000% easier since I decluttered, but still the kitchen doesn't clean itself, unfortunately. What he does. You want something? Oh, you want that? You want your creamy? Right there? Oh, okay. I see it. There you go. So smart. Fluent in English. I have this sticky stuff on this back tile from when I tried to do sticker tiles. So I'm going to see if I can scrape that off. One of these. Let's try it. Much better. It's not perfect. My arm is tired. I think I can get the rest of this though. Eventually. Much better. Okay. It's clean. I'm going to let my RoboVac vacuum and mop this kitchen floor. Very exciting. And then I'm gonna move on to the rest of the house. Okay, let me show you. This thing's really cool. This is the Dream E-Tech L10S Ultra, and it automatically vacuums and mops my entire apartment. I have it scheduled to run every morning during my walk with Samson, and it does a better job of mopping my kitchen floor than I do. You can see the dirt it picked up in just one day. It automatically cleans the mop pads and dries them while on the charging base. It also auto empties out any debris that it swept up from the floor. You can set different levels of suction. I put it on maximum to gather all of Samson's pet hair, and it's easy to remove the hair if it gets tangled on the brush. It has advanced AI-powered navigation, so it makes a map of my home and knows the best route to properly clean it. It can handle my hardwood floors, my kitchen tile, my carpeted entryway, and because it's intelligent, it knows how to navigate around objects and pets. It really is set it and forget it cleaning, and it frees me up from 2 huge cleaning tasks, vacuuming and mopping. I will have it linked in the description box underneath the video, so make sure to take advantage of Amazon Prime Day for the best deal. main area in the bathroom I want to clean. I want to change this out. This has got all of this like mildewy bottom. I want to try the magic eraser on this tile here because it's also just filthy. Like over here, the tile is fine. Don't have all that mildew, but on this wall right here, I want to get this section. I guess I could also wipe this whole thing down too. I hope you can tell a difference. I can definitely see the difference. Much, much, much better. Keeping empty, 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 empty. So only 2 remain. I'm gonna try this duvet hack. So you take your duvet cover and you turn it inside out first, and you put your hands on the inside at the top. Here we are, inside out, hands at the top. And then you grab your duvet from the top at the corner where you want it to go, like so. I've never done this. 2 corners like that. And then you just flip it onto it. Oh, did that work? No way. Oh my God, that worked. Wow. What have I been doing my whole life? See how wrinkled it is? I'm just gonna use my wrinkle release spray on the duvet cover just to make it look a little neater. I've always had a pretty modest budget for furnishing my apartment. Like these bedside tables, they're from Target. The big mirror in my bedroom I actually found on the sidewalk. But I think what makes a home beautiful is having it filled with the things you love, keeping things very simple. I'm so happy that I've edited ruthlessly down to the things that I absolutely love, use, and need. And it makes me happy. Even if my place gets messy, I can clean it up pretty quickly. Fresh flowers and good lighting, I'm a happy girl. I hope this video inspires you to take some time to take care of your home, take care of yourself, and enjoy your space. I'll see you in the next video. Nunca existiu.